What's good, ladies and gentlemen? My name is David Gold, as you all know. And I welcome to Kokwe Radio and Television Station. Station where they giving a back-to-back. As it is suburb, as it don't happen for this Obodo Nigeria. Now they bring them to for now here, they may not be like say, we say, no, they do amebo. Still on top this our Nigeria matters, they happen. Now I say, make a come our hearing. Something don't happen, oh, hey. Wonders shall never end. Another thing don't suburb for this our Obodo Nigeria will never happen before. In fact, it shocked everybody as the suburb for this Nigeria. But when I first watch out, before I can't talk within in my mind, before this I'm about to go say, this man don't come again, no, watch out.
I come and take the picture where, because when I was entering, I saw a sign there. That's where we're going to take the picture. So that when I tell people I was there, they will know I came here through to me. For your grace, thank you for having us. We will start today, at least by a token support of 10 million naira. I assure you will continue. I assure you will be part of you. Just take me as one of you.
Alright, welcome back from that short clip of waiting the suburb for waiting Peter Obi don't talk. Peter Obi don't shock them again. Even though they rob of a mandate, still yet, the man not give up. So tell some people that they tweet for our Twitter say during the election it was with us, during the rally in there with us. In fact, after the election, it was still with us. Even during the tribunal, my guy man no run up because it's a true Nigeria. Some people don't they talk, don't they challenge Peter Obi and the obedient. This Reno, waiting, they call him. This my guy man, where sabi we agbada, where sabi dress, where sabi snap like woman. Don't they challenge obedient? Say he's going to give any obedient that can bring a picture and evidence of the school that Peter Obi don't build. This one shocked me. $10,000 a small picking. I beg government first help me ask the guy man if he get the $10,000 for your account. If he get them before my guy man go tell you suburb, we want to shock the obedient. In fact, help me ask the guy man waiting obedient do am. Waiting Peter Obi do am. When we say the man, the suburb, Peter Obi, the suburb, the obedient up and down say, we are noise maker. And we they tell us, say, for this country, if they call us noise maker, we the obedient and the Peter Obi supporter. Yet, with the commission school. Yet, we they give 10 million naira to nursing school. Yet, we they do what the president himself never do for this country. Yet now see the talk say the Peter Obi and the obedient we are nice maker. For what? How? Alright. So never finish. So another thing don't happen. For this country, when there's a good government, things will go move for kulelelele. Yes now. I be not be so. See what now happen for Songota for Ogun State. Watch out.
Gbogbo position in Songo bayo. Gbogbo position bayo wàhálà ti wà. Pressure ti wà bá gbogbo position bayo. Gbogbo position wa Ire o ó pa o ọmọ na new pole se mo na new pole ẹ̀rí kó ti na mọ́tò ẹ̀ mọ́lẹ̀ ọmọ ló ní pé kò síná lára kíní yìí orí ilé ó ba orí mọ́tò wà lórí ó ba orí mọ́tò yìí ṣá ní fọ́ pa wàhálà odidi ọ̀sẹ̀ kan wọ́n máa fi ṣe kí mọ́tò strong ọmọ mọ́tò yìí strong ẹmọ mọ́tò yìí strong ó yẹ kó bend ní àwọn ọmọ mọ́tò yìí strong mọ́tò strong ẹ ò pàdé mọ́tò yìí mọ́tò mi ò lè lọ.
Alright, so welcome back from that wonderful clips of the tragedy that happened in Ogun State. Now, what we they talk? The problem of this country is our governors. Start from our governors. Because in the states of Ogun State like this, look at those pillars of electricity where they say them do for Ogun State. Just take color away follow, it don't suburb everything. The pole don't fall, the wire damage, even the transformer don't suburb. Now the question is, what is the governor doing, or what has it done, or how many years has this pole been for that Ogun State? Where make that small railway suburb make the whole thing capsize? When they go give on a 10 billion, make on a do projects. Even the NEPA said they contribute to the problem of this country. Bring good products, bring good material, make the tickets suburb. Yet everybody want chop and want chop government money. Even if you ask a NYC student graduate, you could say they look for white collar job. For this country, even if you get a white collar job, what are you going to do? What is the thing that you are going to do? Still yet, obedient are there with the obedient and the support of Peter Obi. We are doing good. We are not tired. We keep moving from one place to another to do the things that the people need. Yet, they castigate us. Say we no get sense. Say we no know what we do. I beg you, not gonna help me ask them. Then when get sense, we know what they do. What did they do? According to our CV, what did they do? What the thing where they don't do? Make it they show us. All right, for this junction, I want to come my mouth. Make it not be like, say now, let me be the supporter of Peter Obi. Now let me be the obedient. Yeah, so we not go keep quiet. We keep doing it. Up, obedient, thumbs up for everyone. We are not tired. All right, to make a put you come my mouth for this junction. Make it not be like, say now, let me eat. To no be only me. Now what thing they happen for this country? We go talk and we don't get keep quiet. Bye.